Hey, hi guys, it's great to have you here in this new video. Today we'll be learning about a useful feature in WooCommerce, that is how to create user role-based discounts. User role-based discounts are a fantastic way to offer personalized discounts to your customers while also making it easier for you to manage promotions in your store. Let's get started and set this up together. For example, we can target our discount towards customers with a subscriber user role. This means that any customer with this role, subscriber, will automatically receive a 20% discount on their entire cart. To set this up, simply follow these steps. I'm going to be using Discount Rules plugin and I've already installed it on my site. You will need the pro version for this. So let's just go right away to WooCommerce, and under which you'll be able to find the Discount Rules dashboard. Now, to target our discount towards the specific user role subscriber, we will have to first click on Add New Rule, which will allow us to create a fresh rule. Now, let's start off by entering a title. I'm going to call it 20% of the cart for subscribers. After you've entered the rule title, go for the discount type. For this, I'm going to select a cart adjustment rule, and the filter could consist of products that are eligible for this particular discount. I'm going to leave it to all products. And then comes the discount type and the value. Let's set 20% discount here. You also have other discount types that you can offer. Cart adjustment discounts work in the form of a coupon, so you will have to enter a discount label here if you want, which I'm going to call percent off. After we enter the discount label, it's important for us to now set this rule user role specific. So to apply this rule only for the specific user role subscribers, we will have to first click on add condition. From the conditions below, you can select user role, which you can find here, which is the last option probably. And then here enlist is whether you choose to include or exclude that specific user role. For me, it's include, so enlist. And then here you can search for the user role. Right now you can see subscriber is displayed here. That's because I have predefined them in my WooCommerce store. So if you have any other user roles that you're trying to give discounts for, make sure you have predefined them either through WooCommerce or through any other user role plugins. Right, so after you do that, you'll be able to enlist or select your user role here, just as I have selected. Now let's simply save the rule and see if that works. I've already logged in as one of the customers who belongs to this particular subscriber user role. So let's check it out if that works for them. Here we go. This is the customer that I was talking about. So let's just go to the shop page, grab some items to the cart and see if it works. All right. So I'm going to purchase this beanie and beanie with logo. Now let's go to the cart page. You'll be able to see that this particular customer qualifies for the 20% off the cart because this particular customer belongs to the user role subscriber. And that's it. Your discount will now only apply to subscribers. Don't miss out on this fantastic feature. Get the plugin today and start offering exclusive deals to specific user roles. We can't wait to see the amazing discounts you'll create. See you soon.